Welcome to my comprehensive review of the HostGator affiliate program. In this video, I'll be walking you through my honest experience with the platform, including its features, benefits, and overall performance. HostGator is a popular web hosting company, and its affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers to their services. The program is well known for its ease of use and generous payout structure. To start, HostGator provides affiliates with a range of tools to help promote their services, including banners, links, and a user-friendly dashboard. Once you sign up for the program, you'll get access to a unique affiliate link that you can share on your website, social media, or other marketing channels. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The payouts from HostGator can be substantial, especially when you refer customers who sign up for long-term plans. Their tier commission structure allows for higher earnings as you refer more people. Many affiliates appreciate the fact that HostGator services are highly trusted, meaning the conversions are typically easier to achieve compared to other programs. Many users find that promoting HostGator's web hosting services is quite rewarding, but it's essential to be familiar with the product to effectively market it. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in affiliate marketing, HostGator offers a great opportunity to generate consistent passive income through its affiliate program. The sign-up process for the HostGator affiliate program is straightforward and doesn't require any upfront costs. Once you're approved, you can start promoting right away. The commission structure is clear, with payouts made on a monthly basis. HostGator is also known for offering reliable support to its affiliates, which is a huge plus if you ever need assistance with tracking or promotional materials. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so do this after watching the video. These resources can help you further expand your knowledge about affiliate marketing and find even more opportunities for passive income. Overall, I've had a positive experience with HostGator's affiliate program, and I think it's a solid option for anyone interested in affiliate marketing, especially if you're already familiar with their web hosting services. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate program to start earning, HostGator is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.